Well, welcome to Backyard Physics. Now you're going to get to see what your instructor actually looks like, because I turn on the video recording, and I always have to remember to turn that back and then get the arrow out of there so you can see what I look like. Well, welcome to Backyard Physics. This is the reviews I got from the last group this was a very popular class, and people seemed to enjoy it. I had a It was a hoot for me to put together, and I don't like to just first of all, I'm Dr. Bob Riggs. I'm your instructor for Backyard Physics this semester, and basically real quick how the class works is the first week, like this is week one. There's only 6 labs, but with each lab though there is a learning component, a blackboard kind of like assignment that you have to do, so that you understand what we're trying to prove or what we're trying to show in the actual lab. Okay, and so this week will be you'll have this video. And I break down my videos into chewable segments of 4 to 6 minutes long. Otherwise, if I go for 45 minutes, first of all, you're going to be bored out of your freaking gourd, and secondly, when I go to post it on YouTube, YouTube will say sorry, too big a thing here for the free version, all right? And I don't want to pay, and I don't want to have the university pay. We've already paid enough for this class, right? Anyway, my name, like I said, I'm Dr. Bob Riggs. This is my 10th year. I have been at UMKC now for 10 years. Before that, I graduated from way back in ancient times. In 1983, I graduated from Mizzou. I was on the ROTC scholarship, so I went straight into the Marine Corps for 12 years on active duty as an officer in the Marines. Got off active duty. When did I get up? When did they throw us all out? Oh yeah, this is in '95. They threw all our asses out because we're the number one superpower. There wasn't any problems left in the world, so they got rid of everybody. Trimmed down the services way down. We're still pretty lean compared to what we were during the Cold War. I of course stayed in the reserves until I retired in 2007. I kept thinking it was 2008, but it was 2007 I actually retired. But when I got off active duty, I worked crappy jobs for a while in the civilian world because I didn't know what to do yet, but I always wanted to teach, and so I taught in alternative high schools for about math and mostly math actually, in alternative high schools for 10 years. I was at the Hickman Mills Alternative High School. Then I went to regular high school. I went to Ruskin for about 3 years, and that was good. I had a good time there. And then I went to the Don Bosco Charter High School on Independence Avenue for 5 years. And then I saw the handwriting on the wall that the administration there were a bunch of idiots and they were going to get somebody killed. Luckily, so I left there. They didn't know how to handle the kids at all. It was atrocious. Anyway, I probably could get in trouble one of these days stating my opinion on things. And then I got hired here at UMKC when I was working on my PhD in math and science education. I'm not a physicist. I'm a math and science educator. And so that's who I am. And so so I'm going to go ahead, and this is the end of track 1 for the intro and intro to lab 1. This is track 1. And so I'm going to stop here, and then the next track you're going to see will be the syllabus. We'll do the syllabus and the course objectives. Okay, so we're done here.